Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to enable notification timing for 5 seconds on Facebook Web using your PC. This is part of Facebook's latest update, and it's a helpful feature if you want your notifications to stay visible a bit longer on your screen. Let's jump straight into it. First, open Facebook on your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, find and click on Display and Accessibility. This is where Facebook keeps several visual and usability settings. Next, inside that section, click on Accessibility Settings. This will take you to more detailed customization options designed to improve your experience on the platform. Once you're in Accessibility Settings, look for the Display section and click on it. Here, you'll find different display-related options that control how content appears on your screen. Now, locate the option labeled Notifications Timing. This is the setting that controls how long notifications stay visible before disappearing. Click on it and you'll see different timing options. Select 5 seconds to make your notifications stay on the screen a little longer than the default. After choosing 5 seconds, don't forget to click on Save to apply the changes. Once saved, your new notification timing will be active immediately. And that's it. From now on, your Facebook notifications will remain visible for 5 seconds, giving you more time to read and respond without feeling rushed. If this guide helped you, make sure to check out more tutorials like this to stay updated with the latest Facebook features.